It is chocolatey like heaven.
I feel like I should stop right now because I'm literally getting obsessed with. Can you see redness on my face? For almost 40 minutes.
So good.
Lahori जीरा सोडा 1% भी एस्थेटिक नहीं लग रहा है जस्ट
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Kunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma. I'm so excited to do this video because we are letting ChatGPT control my life for almost 24 hours, which is basically whole day. But before that, I've just got myself a cold coffee from this place called K Winters, and the packaging is looking so good. I feel like unpacking this in front of you all and let me and tell you all how the coffee tastes like. Let's do that. This is how the coffee has came. We've got the straw. So I have ordered myself a mocha cold coffee because I wanted to have something chocolatey with coffee in it. And let's just taste it. Oh wow, it is the same way how I like it. The straw is way too small. Oh my god. It is chocolatey like heaven. I like chocolate milkshake. I like coffees with chocolate in it. Oh, I can have two bottles.
Hello, good morning, you all. Let's quickly get changed for a walk. Let's go. Can you see redness on my face? It is always when I go out for a walk or I do some sort of exercise or I go to gym, and I love this part. By the way, ChatGPT now says that it's going to be 7. It's already 7:45. Actually, it's going to be 8. So I'm running a little late. I have to take shower right now with some a bit of skincare. Also, I was wearing the lavender t-shirt. I have to change it because उसके पीछे कुछ लग रहा था. So at the end moment पे मुझे उसको change करना पड़ा. तो so for breakfast, we have got two options. One is the toast with fruits, butter, or avocado and all. I've never had avocado. I want to try that toast with avocado. And the second option is of eggs, so I cannot have eggs because I'm a vegetarian. So I think we can try avocado. Let's order some toast and avocado. If it could be delivered right now. It's, by the way, 8:20. I'm already running late for my breakfast because it was supposed to have at 8 a.m. Just got my Zepto parcel we have own, and we could only get toast. We could only get bread because avocados were not available. So we have a whole wheat bread and we're gonna have it with the butter, and I'm gonna make my basic chai. Also, it's way too early for me to do a break. I usually do my breakfast around 10 a.m. and it's currently 8:30 only. But we are doing as per chat GPT, and this is how my aesthetic breakfast looks like. 1% भी aesthetic नहीं लग रहा है, just थोड़े से colors को मैंने कलर कॉम्बिनेशन लिया है, थोड़ा सा येलो वाला बोल एंड दिस पिंक मग. So I just got done with my breakfast, which is like on time because it's going to be 9:15, and I usually check my mails and all around 9:30. And now ChatGPT is saying to focus on work for 90 minutes. So I'm happy with this schedule because I have a project deadline today जो मैं अभी complete करूँगी. और उसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ fun activities भी है जो ChatGPT ने schedule करी है. मैं उसका screenshot यहाँ add कर दूँगी. And we are going to be doing that after I think 10:30 or something. So let's get started with our work. It's 10:30 already, and we have a day plan for 10:30 as something tiny but new, and I'm going in with a few words in new language. I already have gone to Duolingo and I've chosen Spanish to learn today, and this is a very fun activity. Let's start with this. Which one of these is the man? So guys, I got 83%, which is good, not bad. It was such a fun 10-minute session. I want to learn more right now, but before that they are asking me to build a streak of 30 days. So I'm deciding to do this activity on daily basis for at least a month. So ChatGPT is saying that at 11 a.m. you should first brew tea or coffee mindfully. So I'm making black coffee for me because it's been the longest. And then we have the option of create a mini vision board or aesthetic mood board for the month. So we are gonna go in with the aesthetic mood board for the month. Cheers everyone. Oh, smell of coffee is so good, but I know it's not going to be good because black coffee it is and not some cappuccino. But I'm having a black coffee, God knows, after years. So I have created mood board for the rest of the month, and it mainly looks like this, which has maximum of blue colors because I have been obsessed with blue shades. I don't know why I've covered navy blue, sky blue, dark blue and what not. And I have my own pictures in blue, and my friends are always there, therefore I've added my picture of them. I always explore cafe with them and doing that again with them, which is exploring cafes. We have also planned to watch Final Destination this month, which is like already out today. I'm also coming up with new YouTube creative video ideas. So we are also making 2 different videos on lipsticks. That's why I've added this lipstick image as well in my mood board. So it's a simple classic mood board, nothing aesthetic, nothing very much aesthetic about it. But yeah, we're looking forward to it for the rest of the May. Now the ChatGPT bhaiya is saying that from 12 to 1 p.m. we have to eat something balanced, which has protein and veggies. So I'm having, I think probably rice and chole. So chole is basically protein. Then we have no screens. But the third thing is so good, which is taking a short power nap because I need it. I'm feeling a little tired today because I haven't rested well last night and मैं morning में भी जल्दी उठ गई थी. But lunch is taking a little bit time, तो हो सकता है वो थोड़ा सा हमारा shift हो जाए. It's currently 1:15 and ChatGPT कह रहे हैं मुझे कि आपका schedule है from 1 to 2:30. From 1 to 2 you have to do deep work session, which is basically any sort of project that I have. I've already completed like half of my work, so it's half only. And from 2 to 2:30 you have to reply to messages, emails, review a planner. 1.5 hours of all work thing. My 12 to 1 p.m. plan also include like a 20 minutes power nap, which I have missed 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. वाले schedule में. तो अभी मैं 20 मिनट का power nap लूँगी और फिर जो time बचेगा 2:30 तक I will focus on my work. What really happened was I was about to take a nap around 2 p.m. but I stretched it half an hour more because I have some emails to respond. And then when I finally thought that now I should just take it, what really happened was rather than taking the nap, I fall asleep for almost 40 minutes and I woke up around 3:15. It's going to be 3:30, which means I now have to follow the schedule after 3:30. I've literally missed that 1 hour of 2:30 to 3:30 wala schedule. So now we're gonna directly jump on to what's planned ahead after 3:30. I just checked that we have 3 activities planned, in which the one I can do is make a fun Instagram reel. So that is what I'm going to do right now. We also have an option of listening an upbeat or lo-fi music. I'm thinking of going in with an upbeat music. Let's do that. I feel like for people like me who does not have any fixed thing to do, because I'm also a freelance content writer, at times I have work, at times I don't, at times I'm just thinking what to do throughout my day. And today, because everything is so scheduled, that's why it is going little up and down. I'm sorry if I'm not able to properly like follow this routine, but literally I'm trying my best, and let me tell you all, I'm loving it. Whenever I have anything planned for my shorts or long form videos, I just add all of them in this so that I could remember. I have like so many video ideas, especially for shorts / reels. So there's this one idea which I want to do. उसका reel मैं यहीं पे add कर दूँगी मैंने क्या बनाया है. I had such an amazing 1 hour. Oh my god, I've listened to music on my laptop with full volume after such a long time, because I remember when I used to do like dance workouts and all, At that time I used to do that. Currently though I only listen to music in my headphones, but this feels really good, especially the electronic or pop music. I have shot like 2 reels slash shorts for YouTube, and one of the videos that I shot, I was very excited. I will post that here only. And let's see what we have next in our schedule. You don't need a man to make you blush. You just need a 200 rupees note. You'll have the best blush, and trust me, it's gonna last longer. Now we have a schedule from 4 p.m. to 4:45 p.m., which is light work or personal task. I have to do some sort of work if I have left, like organize your workspace and all. I usually don't have any such like messed up space because I clean immediately only. But I have my desk of skincare products, which is a little messy, so I can do that. Now I feel like planning your day is such a good thing. Like unplanned days are so boring. Because this table has like so much space, it always gets like little messier even if it feels a little arranged. We literally got done with our schedule on time. मेरे को almost I think 35 to 40 minutes लगे हैं पूरा इसको arrange करने में. Also I ended up cleaning my nails. I'll be applying some new nail paint today, by the way. Also I remember I have to get my eyebrows done, but for now we got done with our 4 to 4:45 schedule and it's only 4:47, so we can go ahead with our next schedule. 4:45 to 5:15 we have a take a walk outdoors or around your home block with a podcast. Oh my god, this is my favorite part because podcast मैं सुनती रहती हूँ. And अच्छा इन्होंने option दिया around your home block because बाहर it's so much hot right now. I'm sweating every 5 seconds वैसे भी. Then we have dance to 2-3 favorite songs, which is an interesting part. But I just checked that we have to do these 3 activities within half an hour. Doesn't seem like a possibility for me. So last night only I started this podcast of Raj Shamani, which has cancer. So I want to listen this. It was very interesting. I'm basically walking in my room only. It's this little small area, but outside it's way too heat, and here we have AC. So I cannot do that without AC right now. So I have to start the podcast. Now we have a routine from 5:15 to 6 p.m, which is wind down with the twist. Each and every name is so interesting now. Okay, it includes make a cool afternoon drink, in which we have options like iced matcha, definitely not going. Fun tea, I don't know how to make a fun tea, but we have a flavored soda option. I'm actually feeling like having a masala or jeera soda kind of thing. And lastly, we have a quick journal in which I will add what did I enjoy today. So we have like a good 45 minutes to do all these. To buy a drink, I'm just going out to test out what all soda we have available in the supermarket, and I would also buy some snacks as well. So I got myself 2 drinks, which is this one from Nescafe, their iced frappe. I've been seeing this on everywhere like Blinkit, Zepto and all. And then I've got myself this jeera soda. Now I'm getting confused if I should have this one or this one, because earlier I felt like having this, but because my schedule has some soda or tea and not some coffee, so I'm just gonna go in with this one, which is Lahori Jeera soda. Time to taste the soda. Oh wow, it has a good punch of soda. Oh, it is so refreshing. I'm definitely going to bring like more bottles for my parents and all if they like it. Just got done with watching a vlog of Sara Sarosh of one of her New York series vlogs, and it was so good. I've also watched her Norway vlogs, which were also very fun. And now it's time to do a quick journaling of what I actually loved. So it says that you have to write about top 3 things that made you smile. There were so many amazing things that happened today because I ended up having my breakfast around 10 a.m. but I had it today around 8:30ish, which was way too early, but I also feel good doing that. And as I shared, I've also loved enjoying songs with full volume in my laptop. I think that was the best part. And also having the flavored soda drink. I think these are the top 3 things that I'm going to journal right now. I might want to do it in future again. It's going to be 6 in 5 minutes, and Usually at this time I either have a tea or a cold coffee, hot coffee, or something like snacking and all. I bought myself a burger because I wanted to have something light. I usually don't have dinners and stuff, so I will only have a small burger, which is like the plain aloo tikki burger. And it also gave me an option of watching a food vlog, which I absolutely love. I've watched so many food vloggers, like especially Indian ones. But I've got it from one of the OG places जहाँ का मुझे आलू टिक्की burger पसंद है. A little bit of sauce. So good. We are going to watch her best Chandigarh veg food tour. Let's. It's currently 7 right now, and I have this scheduled till 7:30. By the way, I was like, let me just tell you all how amazing I'm feeling today because of this video that I have planned. I know I'm making it a YouTube video and all, but how it has impacted my day today, I don't know why, but I'm feeling very positive. I'm getting all the good vibes today after a very long time, so it seems real and genuine, and I've want you all to do such thing if you are someone who gets bored daily. Now our next schedule is from 7:30 to 9, where we have to choose at least 1 or 2 activities. First activity is read something fictional or strange. We're definitely going to do that. Play a cozy game, where it is saying that either a mobile puzzle or story game. I can try a story game. So I have like so many books which I have not read. First I have this love questions. ये सब मेरी बहन ने ले रखे हैं, by the way. 650 questions, quotes and fun facts about everyone's favorite subject. This seems something different. I could do this. We could read this. I have already read this one, which is the Where Rainbow Ends by Cecilia Ahern. This is like an old book that I have. बहुत अच्छी है. All Your Perfects by Colin Hoover. I don't know about this, but we also have Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo. I am so thinking about these love questions book. So this is the back of the book, which says, do you ever think about how Mr. Right might be in your life right now and you just haven't started dating him yet? How quickly do you fall in love? We are definitely checking what all questions we have and trying to learn some different perspective. Okay, let's just take any random questions. Okay, here. Do you ever confuse love and infatuation? Oh, that's a nice question. Are you rude to your dates? Okay, this is something for me. I could be at times rude. Do you ever think about exercising on a date if you or your significant other is a fitness buff? Okay, I'm not like that much into fitness, but let's see what they say. More and more singles are joining health clubs, and many couples enjoy working out together. Or you can join a gym and perhaps meet a great guy. I have thought about meeting a guy in gym and talking to him, but I'm someone who cannot start a conversation, so it's difficult with me. I have another amazing question, which is, do you look men in the eyes when you talk to them? It shows self-confidence, plus it can quite flirty. And trust me, I'm someone who cannot do an eye contact, and therefore at times it shows that I am disinterested. So this is something I need to work on. We have got a very different question, which is, do you ever think about what it would be like to be linked to a man in one of the following professions? Spy, soldier, peace corps volunteer, gynecologist, fashion designer, actor, emergency room physician. So okay, I've thought about gynecologist, I've thought about actor. Oh my god, I'm loving this session. I mean, I had this book for like, I don't know, 6-7 years and not read it because my sister bought it. It was in some sort of corner lying with other books, and those other books are all fictional, and this is something which I feel like is very different in terms of that. We have got one more on page 108, which is, what love life regrets might you have if you don't take action? It has make a list of possible regrets. That's a nice thing. I feel like I should stop right now because I'm literally getting obsessed with all the questions. These questions are really amazing. If you want this book, the name is Love Questions by Cindy Haynes. I will add the link of this book if I found it on Amazon or somewhere. Must try this book. I'm damn sure you're gonna love it. Question is also good. How much of your self-esteem is wrapped up in your love life? Is that hurting or helping your self-esteem? I feel like self-esteem is such an important aspect in every part of your life, not only your love life, but it must not hurt. Any sort of relationship must not hurt your self-esteem. I believe that if it gets shaped, it is something different. I'm someone who used to love playing cake shop, and today I don't know why today I feel like doing that. I also loved playing GTA. I have also been a fan of Need for Speed. Oh my god, there were so many games we used to do. Mario, Road Rash, what not. So guys, I've been trying to download Cake Shop 2 and some random thing got downloaded and it was not working properly, so I have to delete it. Now I'm not able to find how to I'm not able to find like correct link from where I could download the game, and it's going to be 9 in 5 minutes. So our 9 to 10:30 routine has skincare, tea, light stim. Then we have reflect in our journal, which has what surprised me today, how did I make today interesting. I have a lot to write about, by the way. Then we have light stretching, and lastly we have sleep prep with a scent. And thankfully I have a lavender candle, so we can just lit it up with some soft ambient music and then we'll sleep. Smells so good.
First, I'm writing about what surprised me today, and there were so many moments that surprised me. Firstly, we're gonna talk about the fact that planned days are much better than unplanned days. Along with work productivity, it is also important to have productivity throughout your routine, whether that is through walking or whether that is through having a good protein meal. I also forgot about all the unnecessary things that I used to think about, like which is a part of overthinking that I used to do whenever I get free. But today is the day when I have everything scheduled, which means I cannot even waste 5 minutes of my day. This is how you lead towards great thoughts. Now it is saying to write about how I made my day interesting. So there were many times when ChatGPT asked me to make something for myself, but I rather thought of going out, making an effort to bring a good flavor drink, which is also different for my routine. So now that I have written all these things in my journal, now I'm going to read it out, pray for myself that this is how I want my day to be, which is full of gratitude, hope for better things, being positive throughout, and not letting wasteful thought comes into my mind because it's gonna affect my peace and mental health. So this video is all about that. Thank you, ChatGPT, for giving me such an amazing routine where I was not busy in terms of professionally, but my personal involvement in different activities made it so amazing. So thank you so much, and thank you so much to you all as well for watching this video. If you guys have watched it till here, I would highly recommend you to try this thing, even if you are not a creator. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. It's time to sleep because it's going to be 11 right now. I'm already very late. I have to sleep by 10:30 as per ChatGPT.